Good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope everyone is fine. In the previous video we have done about the introduction of patriotism. So what is patriotism we have done before. So now in this part we are going to discuss about the story of patriotism which Nanaji has told to Naina and Ajit. Okay. So in order to explain Naina and Ajit what is patriotism, he took them to a place called Himapet. Okay. And there they went to under a banyan tree. They sat there, okay, and Nanaji started telling a story to the children, okay, and he told a story about Akash. He was a very brilliant student, and he went to USA for doing his master's degree in MBBS. Okay, he was about to do MBBS there. Okay, along with him, all other 10 students also went to USA for studying. Okay. And Government of India has provided scholarship to Akash for studying there, okay, as he was a very brilliant student. So all 10 of them and Akash went there and they studied, and after finishing their masters, all other students, those who had gone along with them, they stayed there, okay, but Akash, he wanted to come back to India. The father was not that happy because he too wanted that his son should stay there, earn a lot of money and live a luxurious life, but he wanted to come back to India, okay, because he wanted to repay the debt which his people, he has a debt of his country, so he wanted to repay it, okay. So he came back and he started working in a hospital. So soon there was a outbreak of an epidemic like coronavirus now. It is also an epidemic. Epidemic is a widespread deadly disease, okay. So because of that disease, many of the people died, okay, and he worked very hard in the hospital and saved many people's life, okay. So after a few months, after a few days, he too got suffered with that same disease, and after a few months he died, okay. So father and mother, they all regretted that why he died and what was the purpose to come to India and serve the people here and putting his own life in danger. But he was the one who actually understood what is the essence of patriotism. So what was patriotism actually? According to him, it was serving his own people, his own country. That was patriotism for him, okay. So in order to pay honor and homage to him, the villagers, they raised fund, okay, and they made a beautiful hospital, a very large hospital for him, okay, and it was named after him, after Akash, okay. It named Dr. Akash in the memory of Dr. Akash Rai, okay. By saying this much, Nanaji finished his story and he started crying, okay. Then Naina noticed that it was Akash Rai. Actually, Rai was the surname of Nanaji as well. That means he was actually the son of Nanaji only, okay, his own son. So that's why he was actually telling the story of his own son who shed his life, sacrificed his life for the sake of his country. Though he was not he was not a martyr, though he was not a freedom fighter, but actually he was also a patriot because he had given his life, giving service to his people, his countrymen, okay. So this was actually the essence of patriotism. This was the actual meaning of patriotism, okay. Actually Nanaji also was a professor, and he told at last that my son has taught me what is the essence of patriotism, what is the meaning of serving one's own country, okay. With that the chapter ends. Thank you.